How to make great downloadable PDFs. A quick look at bookmarking. There are several different ways and reasons to bookmark your PDF. Let's take a quick look at two that we recommend to help guide your readers through the book. Then I'll show you how to implement them. Let's look at chapter bookmarking first. This simply just marks the start of each chapter. Header bookmarking can be a little bit more specific. This marks the sections within the chapters and can be as robust or as slim as you want it to be. Let's begin by opening a PDF and taking a look at how to begin bookmarking. First, be sure that your page numbers are in sync with your PDF page numbers in the book. For example, we have the cover as a Roman numeral 1, the title page is a 2, and the credits is a 3. The table of contents starts again on page 1, which you can see in this PDF and in the book coincides. Next, we'll decide how much or how little we want to bookmark. You need to be organized and professional, and for this I like to nest bookmarks. I'll show you how to do that for the sake of this video. To bookmark, start by opening your bookmark tool on the left side of the menu and start bookmarking. It's really that simple. This is the bookmarking tool right here. And to start bookmarking, I like to start at the very top of the book since we'll be nesting our bookmarks. If you right-click on the cover of the book, it'll give you options, and here we're just going to select Add Bookmark. I didn't title this one because we haven't selected text. Whoops. So I'm going to type in the title myself. Next, we'll go to the title page, which does not need to be bookmarked really. But the credit pages are not a bad idea to bookmark. Simply select it, right-click, and hit Add Bookmark, and it'll do the naming for you. Then you can simply grab this and pull it underneath the title, and it'll nest itself underneath. With this bookmark selected, we can select the table of contents to bookmark and hit Create Bookmark, and it'll automatically nest it as well. So here's where we can choose whether to do headers or just the chapter starts. Each one of these chapters, you can just go to that page and bookmark it as we've done with these. Or if you want to be more robust, we can start by adding the introduction. Again, just right-click, Add Bookmark, and it pops up for you. And there's not really any headers to choose from here. So we'll go to the next chapter. Again, we'll start the chapter by bookmarking it. And then we have several headers we can bookmark in here. So just select it, right-click, and add bookmark. To nest these inside the chapter, simply pull them up, click and pull them up underneath the title. Select this one, and every one you bookmark underneath it, right-click, add bookmark, will nest under that same chapter. Let's go ahead and do the rest of this chapter so I can show you how to start the next. Again, we're just selecting the text, right-click, add bookmark. We're not going to select the text down here for the example character because it's not really necessary for this. Now that we're at the next chapter though, we can close this chapter, which eats up the nesting, select the rules, which is the chapter title, right-click, add bookmark, and it's nested underneath the same header of the book title, but not underneath the last chapter. So it's starting its own chapter. Then we can nest the other headers into this chapter as well. Simply click it, pull it underneath, and drop it. With that header selected, we can go ahead and nest the other bookmarks simply by selecting the text, right-click, select Add Bookmark. It goes really fast, and your readers will appreciate the easy reference when they come back to use the book at another time. It's that simple. Again, let me show you how to do the chapters. Close the chapter previous to it, select the text, right-click, add bookmark. It nests under the title of the book, but not under the previous chapter. If your chapter has no headers that you want to select, like this one, you simply can go to the next chapter, right-click, add bookmark, and it's nested underneath the title of the book, not under the chapter. Then we'll select the next header, right-click, add bookmark, and we can nest that so that it's back into the chapter. Once you're done selecting all that you want bookmarked, you can close these, close the menu, save the file, and close it, and all your bookmarks will be safe and secure.